This Asian twist to noodles makes a great vegetarian meal, or add in some grilled chicken, pork, or shrimp for a heartier dish. You'll find a complete list of ingredients for this recipe at the end of this video. I'll start by making the dressing for these noodles. In a blender, I'm going to add some fresh garlic and some fresh peeled ginger. You can use fresh ginger, or you could also use ground ginger if you don't have fresh. Okay, I'm also going to add some peanut butter and 1 cup of milk. Also some soy sauce. You could use fish sauce if you want to give these noodles a Thai twist. And a couple dashes of hot pepper sauce. You can add more hot pepper if you like it spicier. Okay, blend this together until the dressing's nice and smooth. With the motor running, I'm going to drizzle in some rice wine vinegar. Okay, that dressing needs to set for about 10 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to prepare the noodles. This recipe uses rice noodles. You can use any long, thin pasta like vermicelli. And with the rice noodles, they're really easy to prepare. You just pour boiling water over the noodles and they have to soak for 2 or 3 minutes until they're soft. Okay, while the noodles are soaking, I'm just going to prepare some vegetables. I already have carrots and cucumbers cut up here, and I'm just going to add a red pepper to it. I like to cut the vegetables into long, thin strands that match the noodles. I've drained the noodles. I just need to add in the vegetables and the dressing. And just toss everything together till it's nicely coated. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and tear in some fresh mint. In Asian noodle and vegetable salad and in all of your recipes, milk makes good food better. To get the complete 2009 milk calendar recipes, visit mymilkcalendar.ca.